No, you know, sometimes you see some things happen in sports. You have to just shake your head. The successful execution of the bicycle kick is one of the hardest, if not the hardest thing to pull off in football. Most players, past and present, can only dream of executing a successful bicycle kick. Now, when a defender pull off a bicycle kick as clean as this, it must be a sports commentary feature. Of course, this defender would have us believe that he was trying to clear the ball and it flops and flying at the goal. Me not believe him. I think this was match fixing. But then again, this could not be match fixing because this little baller from the lower leagues of Swiss football could not do this on purpose. This must be a fluke. Or what I think happened is that this baller, like all ballers, dream of scoring a spectacular bicycle kick. So when him see the ball fly up into the air, temporary insanity set in. Him forget that he's defending and that this is his goal and his goalkeeper. So him say, yes, see the bicycle, you know? Bloop. And the result, the most perfectly executed bicycle kick own goal in the history of football. Big up yourself, baller. But you're the worst baller in the world.